This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming 3 prerequisites: player level, funds, and access. First, grind missions that reward RP and cash. Prioritize 2x or timed events to speed progress. Once done, farm 3 specific high-value items for trade-in or list. This reduces direct cash needed. Make sure to join a clan or active server where group discounts and ship spawns appear, because team coordination often opens the cheapest purchase windows. So act now and keep momentum. Now you execute the acquisition. First, monitor shop timers and auction listings. Plan a 15-minute window to be ready when the Super F15 appears. Next, allocate a small purchase budget for targeted boosts, spawn tickets, barter boosts, or discount coupons, since these improve odds and lower net cost. Once procured, immediately reserve hangar space and equip delivery keys so the jet is secured. Make sure to coordinate with squad mates for cover during delivery. They prevent theft and server lag issues. Finish by accepting delivery and placing the Super F15 into your hangar, then equip a basic loadout so it doesn't despawn. Once in, prioritize 3 upgrades: engine for speed, stealth for survivability, and weapons to meet super criteria. Use upgrade kits saved earlier. Finally, test flight controls in a low-risk zone. If anything goes wrong, pause, check transaction logs and clan trade history, then contact server admins with proof. This troubleshooting step resolves most missing or delayed deliveries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.